In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a login page in Framer. We'll walk through this straightforward process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a functional and customizable login page. First things first, let's open your favorite web browser and head over to the Framer Marketplace. This is the place where you can find numerous plugins to enhance your project. Once there, the next step is to search for Framer Auth. You might notice there are both paid and free versions of this plugin. For this example, we'll be using the free sign-up option, which should suffice for many basic applications. After clicking into the plugin, you'll see there's an option to copy the component. Go ahead and click on Copy Component after you've opened the free sign-in plugin. This will make it easy for you to integrate the login feature into your project. Now move over to your Framer project. It's time to paste the component you just copied. This action will place the login form directly into your workspace, already set up and ready for customization. Speaking of customization, let's delve into making this form your own. On the right sidebar of Framer, locate the Sign in Form tab. Here, you have various options to tweak elements such as labels, input fields, buttons, and links. You can even adjust spacing, like the gap between elements, to fit your design needs. If you're feeling adventurous and need more in-depth customization, there's an Edit Code option that allows full access to the component's code. This is perfect for those who have specific design requirements or want to add some personal flair to the form. Finally, once you're happy with your design, it's time to publish your site. Just click on the Publish button and your login page will be live. The great thing about using Framer Auth is that it offers a dashboard where you can manage users and settings for your newly created login page. This will help you maintain control and easily manage the different user aspects without much hassle. And there you have it. In just these few steps, you can create a simple yet customizable login page using Framer and Framer Auth. Whether you're building a personal project or a site for clients, this process ensures that you have a functional login page up and running in no time. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe if you found this helpful and want to see more tutorials like this.